Hey, welcome to the Tired AF Yoga series. If you're feeling tired AF, you're in the right place, and I promise you're not alone. Every day this month, I'm releasing a simple 10 to 15 minute yoga practice to help you release tension in your body, reset your nervous system, and help your body remember what it means to actually relax. Nothing fancy, just give yourself those 15 minutes every day for a few days in a row, and you're going to be feeling better. So if you're ready to relax, silence your notifications, put a calming essential oil into your diffuser, and let's do this together. In today's video, we're going to explore a little bit of restorative yoga. So in restorative yoga, you're using props to help you relax more deeply. In fact, how you get deeper into a pose is by softening even more. The blankets do the work. Your job is to relax and drape and melt as much as you can. And today we're going to be doing a back bend, heart opening pose. It's one of my favorites. So for props today, what you're going to need is a blanket or two. Okay, you can get by with one, firm one, but two would be even better. So we're going to start in Sukhasana, sitting up nice and tall. We just want to loosen up the back a little bit before we get started, warm it up a little bit. So we're going to start off with some big shoulder rolls, coming forward, arching and rounding through your spine. And then change direction, really big. And then squeeze behind you as you lift up and release. Change the cross of your legs. And again, getting up on top of the sit bones, hands to the knees. You're going to draw the belly button in and round the lower back. Release. And again, suck that belly in, round the lower back. And release. And again, suck it in and keep rounding all the way up. Pull back on your hands. Really pull in. Feel that back all the way. And then release and come up. And then follow the breath. You're going to breathe in here, lift up. As you exhale, release. And just go back and forth following the pace of your breath, warming up the spine. And if you want to take it freestyle, just to get into even more in the spine, just bringing more fluidity into the spine, it's so wonderful. All the way around. And then back to the center. All right, the pose we're going to do is called Mountain Brook. And you want to take your blanket and give yourself the plank fold, which gives you a really long, narrow fold like so. And then place the roll at the top. Okay, we're going to put our head here, and this is going to rest about at the base of our shoulder blades. Your second blanket, you want to triple fold it as I've done here, and that's going to go underneath our thighs when we're ready for it. Going to come like so, and you're going to slowly take yourself down. It takes a little bit to find the right spacing. And you're going to release down, support your head, and let it hit right again at about the base of the shoulder blades. It's kind of hard to know where that is for you, but just know your shoulders should reach the floor. And you should feel nice and spacious in the neck. If you do back bend over roll, this hits at that same spot. Then you can take your arms into cactus or straight out to the side, student's choice. Now, often there's a little bit of a grip in the lower back, so you can bend your knees. Put your feet on your blanket and just let yourself relax and soften. And if you still feel the grip in the back, you can do back bend over roll first. That helps release the muscles even more to prepare them for this. And then You can even bring a knee up if you still feel a little bit of tension in the lower back. Change sides. And then when you feel ready, if you feel ready, you can extend the legs, putting this blanket just underneath the thighs. And just let your breath draw down into your belly as you relax more and more deeply. Feeling your heart open. Feel yourself melt over the blankets. Relax. Nice deep belly breath with a slow exhalation, feeling your body melt even more with the exhale. And letting yourself sink. Relax. Now very slowly we're going to work our way out. We're just going to move your fingers and your toes. Bend your knees. And slowly roll to one side. Make a pillow with your bottom arm. And just let yourself rest. Feel your breath in your back body. Just let everything soften. And when you're ready, you're going to work your way up to sitting. And just take a moment. Feel your back. Notice the difference. Now, if you feel tension, which can happen with that because we carry so much tension in our back. Like I said earlier, do the back bend over a roll first. And that can be really helpful to release the back so that you can do this one more comfortably. All right, thanks for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the Tired AF Yoga Series videos. And you can hop on the email list for it down below for even more tips and tricks for you. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video.